Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the hidden bullish divergence that we are currently seeing getting created here on the price action of Bitcoin. As well, I'm going to go over much more charts. I'm going to go over the importance of this horizontal level of the green line here. I will be using as well the volume range here to determine on which levels we're going to find some support, and it looks to be that we're literally trading on key levels of support, what could be indicating that this is a very good level to open your long position. As well, I'm going to go over a different chart here about our resistance line that we have been discussing yesterday, and this resistance line is showing us so much significance at the exact moment of recording. And as well, we're of course finding some very strong support on our previous resistance targets, what could be once again of course acting as support, what could be leading towards higher prices getting reached as well here. And we're going to go over the daily candles where we have been seeing the falling wedge breakout together with our 40.5k level getting reached here as resistance. And since touching that level, we right away created a wick on the top side, and right now we have to be reevaluating on what is next, of course. So if this sounds very interesting for you, make sure to already smash up that like button. Once again, let's go for the 500 likes on this video. Yesterday we reached as well the 500 likes. Absolutely amazing that we did so. Make sure to smash it up right now here. As well, if you're new to this channel, make sure to ring the bell notification right away here, since our calls from yesterday have been playing out perfectly and exactly. So let's go right away into the video. But first, let me discuss what is going to happen here for Bitcoin in the imminent short term here. So Bitcoin starts to create here a higher low, as you can clearly see here, and we drew this trend line towards the upside, and you can see several touch points. So we can see as well a low here getting created on the RSI, like you can see here with the yellow line, and we have been creating another low here on the RSI. But if we're looking at the price chart and we're comparing these lows here, you can see over here, of course, higher low on the price chart, lower low on the price chart. This is signifying a hidden bullish divergence. So you can see here, low getting created, higher low getting created here on the price chart, low getting created here, lower low on the RSI. This is a hidden bullish divergence. You have, of course, normal bullish divergence and hidden bullish divergence. And usually a lot of people are not paying attention to these bullish divergence, but these are very strong here. And I've been already doing a tweet on my channel that I opened a long position here on the 36.6k here, and I've been really looking forward towards it already, since the 36.6k was already my target from yesterday. So as well, if you again go back here in my tweets here, you can see I was yesterday as well predicting exactly, first of all in the video, but as well while we were trading on the 40k here, I've been exactly predicting that we were going to see a correction. And a lot of people were not liking me saying this, but guys, you have to know I am very honest with you guys, and I will be always giving my honest opinion about the market. So if you want to be staying up to date about all these updates as well that I'm giving to you guys, make sure to follow me already at Rover CRC here on Twitter. It would be amazing if you're going to hit that follow button over there, since we're closing in towards the 9,000 followers as well here on Twitter. So as well, I've been already, of course, keeping you guys up to date here earlier today about the hidden bullish divergence here, and of course the resistance line that where we got rejected, and yeah, much more, of course, that we are discussing on this Twitter account. So make sure to hit that follow button already over there if you don't want to be missing about all these moves here, because I was personally not trading this move towards the downside, but what I did do was, of course, taking profits, because it was very likely to see such a significant correction from that point coming out here, since we were seeing multiple things coming together. Clear bearish divergence here on the 1 hour, 4 hourly being pretty overbought here. So that was, of course, my main reason why I was expecting a minor move towards the downside. So if you want to be, of course, joining me with the next trade here, because yeah, I closed my long position over there, but right now I opened a new one, and you can be joining me as well here if you're going to sign up with the link in the description, because the next move that we're about to get created here is going to be quite interesting, and you have to identify the trend here. We have been starting an uptrend, and you want to be always trading the trend here. You can see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and we are just forming another higher low. And yeah, you definitely want to be joining the trend here with me. And if you want to be joining me with these trades here, you can be, of course, go to the link in the description, go to Bybit to get an, of course, $2,000 deposit bonus, and you can be already signing up over there. So that will be, of course, pretty amazing if you're going to do so. But let me right now go further into this video, and let me right now as well discuss the 4 hourly candles, guys. So you can see over here, we have been looking at this significant trend that we have been trading in for quite a while here. And you know on the channel, if you're already familiar with me, that I like to use the volume, range of volume profiles, since of course the volume profiles are always going to show you a very significant level of support or resistance in a certain trend here. And you can see right now here, in this exact trend over here, we are seeing that the 35.8k, approximately 35.9k, let's say that, it has been, of course, the most strongest level of volume resistance slash support. So if we're going to see a decreasement towards this level, I will be for sure not hesitating to accumulate a position. So looking forward towards it already, I definitely think this is a very good accumulation zone if we're going to, of course, see another move towards the downside getting trade. However, I don't expect it, to be very honest. We have very good support below us, and you can see right here, this green level has been providing several times resistance, as well as sometimes support here in the previous price action in January. So yeah, you want to be knowing the game, and you definitely want to be looking out for it, because in January we have been, of course, creating a breakthrough of this green line here. After retesting it, we really kickstarted to run up towards new all-time highs, of course. And personally, I really do expect that we're going to see new all-time highs there, but sometimes I'm only a little bit more bearish on the imminent short term here. So as well, let me enable the email ribbon here, since of course we are looking pretty strong here. The trend is basing towards the upside. You can clearly see it on the 4 hour as well here. Higher lows each and every time here. This is the start of a new trend here. I am longing uptrends, I am shorting downtrends, and right now we are clearly in an uptrend, so I will be taking every single opportunity that I'm getting here. So you can see here, email ribbon, of course, about to get supported as well here. We're moving up very quickly with the email ribbon here, but it's just a matter of time till we're going to see, of course, support getting found by the email ribbon as well here, looking particularly strong here. Let me as well go into this chart here, where we are having the RSI set up over here. You can see very interesting things, of course, playing out here. Yesterday, already warned everyone about it. We were pretty overvalued here, overbought here on the RSI. The 4 hourly RSI has never been so overbought here since, of course, December 17th. And I've been already saying what happened on the December 17th yesterday in the video. And in that video, I was discussing we only tend to see, if we're so overextended, either sideways action or a correction towards the downside. And what played out here, we saw the correction towards the downside. So you have to know, yeah, you have to look back on what the past was doing to, of course, determine what is very likely to happen right now, right? So, yeah, you can clearly see we are, yeah, finding support on this orange box of support. Very beautiful level to find some support on, since this was, of course, on the previous trend over here as well. You can see it's not only in hidden bullish divergence here on the 1 hour, since as well on the 4 hour we have been forming a lower low over here and a higher low on the price action, what is of course as well resulting in a hidden bullish divergence, what could be for sure leading towards high price targets getting reached here, especially since retesting this level. I am so glad I accumulated my position already on the 36.6k. Of course, we did back to 36.4k, but I mean, I'm still glad with my position since it's already up for an approximately 0.8% here. So yeah, looking forward towards this one. As well, the most important thing that I would like to see Bitcoin doing right now here is, of course, a move back up here, but it will be quite risky here, since you can see over here previous resistance, and we have this downward slope resistance line right now in front of us, and we could be forced face on more resistance if we're going to trade against this. We would like to, of course, see for sure a breakthrough of it, and we have to wait and see how this will be reacting here. If we're going to see a breakthrough of it, I mean, you can already put on your seatbelt, because we're really going to take a moonshot here towards higher targets. Because I'm going to go in towards it in a second here on the daily candles, but for sure looking forward towards it. It will be a major level of resistance that we have to be clearing here in order to flip bullish once again. But personally, I do expect that we can be for sure break through this level. As well, let me go over the daily candles here. The daily candles, of course, we all know we broke the RSI downtrend here. We moved up very quickly here, but then yesterday we were forming this, this daily bearish divergence. So I was already warning everyone about it here yesterday on my Twitter page once again here. I was saying I don't want to be the game breaker. I don't want to be the game breaker, but currently we are having a huge hidden bearish divergence on the daily candles here, and this could be leading to a significant correction. I'm not bearish, just trying to raise the awareness. And to the last thing of what I was saying over there, yeah, of course, I'm not bearish on the bigger picture, but for sure on the imminent short term, we could be seeing some more downward pressure, and it already came in, right? We already saw the downward pressure came in here, so it could be that we already cleared it, but still, if we're looking to the chart, we're seeing still a higher high getting formed on the RSI, lower high getting formed on the price action, but could still lead to much more corrections because we're seeing more and more divergence. You can see as well clearly, if we're zooming out here, these white lines on the top side always providing resistance, white lines on the lower side always providing support, and you can just see the significance. We got a massive rejection from it. Definitely a very good take profit area, like I've been mentioning already several times there. Always once we're testing the 30k, you want to be buying. 40k, of course, still we're going to break through it, of course. And the 40.5k is always, generally speaking, a very good take profit zone slash area. So yeah, really looking forward towards it. But yeah, as well, we reached price target of the falling wedge right now, so we could be removing this one since it's right now not really relevant anymore. We reached the price target of the falling wedge like we as well exactly predicted here. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Make sure to smash up the like button. It will be absolutely amazing if we're going to do so. If we're going to reach the 450 likes, I'm going to upload another Ethereum update in a second here, probably in 2 hours or so. And of course, if we can just reach the 500 likes, it will be of course meaning the world for me. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching to this amazing video here. Let me know in the comment section what you right now think of the market, because I generally think that we are going to see a momentum shift towards the upside here on the lower time frames here. Looking forward towards it. So guys, thank you so much for watching and peace out. Goodbye.